Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Magical Moments. Today in this video we will explore the Lipakshi temple which is located in Andhra Pradesh. It's around 120 kilometers from Whitefield, Bangalore. We started our journey around 7 in the morning and reached our destination by 9:30. Let's get started with the history of the temple. The Lipakshi temple, located in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, is a historic and culturally significant temple dedicated to Lord Veerabhadra, a fierce form of Lord Shiva. The temple's architectural style is in the Vijayanagara tradition and it is renowned for its intricately carved sculptures, pillars and historical importance. Name Lepakshi is believed to have originated from the words Le meaning rice and Pakshi meaning bird, which refers to a mythological story. According to the local legend, the bird Jatayu from the Ramayana fell here after a battle with Ravana while trying to rescue Sita Mata. The story goes that Lord Rama, who was in search of Sita Mata, revived the bird by saying Lipakshi, meaning rice or bird. This is why the place is called Lipakshi. The Lipakshi temple is believed to have constructed in the 16th century during Vijayanagara Empire. The temple's construction is attributed to two brothers, Virupana and Veeranna, who were ministers under the king Achyutraya, the ruler of Vijayanagara. The temple is known for its detailed sculptures that depict stories from Hindu mythology, including scenes from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and various deities and gods. Although the temple was constructed during the rule of Vijayanagara's empire, the region suffered from political instability after the empire's decline in the mid-16th century. Despite this, the temple remained a key religious site for local devotees. The hanging pillar of Lepakshi is particularly famous as one of the pillars is slightly suspended, not touching the ground, which has intrigued visitors and scholars alike. Today, the temple is a major pilgrimage site, attracting both spiritual seekers and tourists for its rich history and artistic heritage. So friends, this was all about the history and architecture of the temple. Now it's time to explore the mysteries. The Nandi at the Basavana temple, with 27 feet in length and 15 feet in height, is India's biggest monolithic Nandi. The whole area has been developed in the form of a park around this Nandi. The hanging pillar. In this video, we already talked about the hanging pillar. It is said that during the British rule of India, a British engineer tried to uncover its secret in 1920. Upon moving the pillar, the whole structure of the temple started shaking. It also goes to say that the hanging pillar was an integral part of the temple's design. The Nagalinga. The temple has a famous Shivalinga shrine called the Nagalinga. This shrine is carved from a single piece of granite and is surrounded by a 7-hooded serpent. Legends says that the sculptors carved this Nagalinga in a few hours while waiting for the lunch. The incomplete Kalyana Mantapa is a structure believed to be the site where marriage of Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati was meant to take place. The construction was started by the king's accountant without the king's knowledge and approval. When the king returned and discovered this, he was furious and immediately ordered the project to be halted. leaving the mandapa incomplete till date. Eyes on the wall. Opposite the Kalyana Mandapa, there are two spots that seem to have blood running down them. It is said that the king got very angry with the accountant owing to the construction of the Kalyana Mandapa. As a punishment, he ordered his eyes to be popped out. These marks are a reminder of that. The footprint. After crossing the Kalyana Mandapa, you will arrive at a huge footprint in the temple floor. This footprint is believed to be of goddess Sita. Interestingly, this footprint is always wet, although the source of the water is unknown. The mural paintings. The ceiling paintings at the temple are a collection of murals that depict stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Puranas. The paintings are made in natural plant-based colors and are considered to be a significant surviving examples of the Vijayanagara art. These paintings were created in the middle of the 16th century by the brothers Virupana and Veeranna. The Lipakshi temple continues to be a significant part of India's cultural and religious heritage, offering insights into both mythological lore and the architectural brilliance of the past. Following our visit to Lipakshi temple, we headed to the Jatayu Park. Here are some unforgettable moments we have experienced. Watching the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment box. For more such content, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.